Can you pronounce these two words correctly? Good and food. They look like similar, however, they don't have the similar vowel sound. The first one has a short oo sound and the second one has a long oo sound. Okay? In today's lesson, I will show you how to pronounce both the sounds clearly, perfectly, with easy example and practice. So let's get started. Now this is the symbol for short oo sound, right? This is how it appears. And guys, it's a bit difficult for me to sketch the symbol. Okay. So while pronouncing the short oo sound, your lips are slightly rounded. Okay. And the sound is short. Okay. Let me give you some example for your practice. Now these are some example for the word with short oo sound. Let's practice. Good, book, look, foot. Again, good, book, look, foot. Okay. Now can you read this phrase? Both the words have the short oo sound. So let's read it. Wooden hook. Again, wooden hook. Okay. Now let's move on to the uh, long oo sound. Okay. Now this symbol represents the long oo sound. Okay. So these are some word for your practice. I have written here. So let's read these words. Okay. Food, school, moon, blue, true. Okay. So while pronouncing the long oo sound, you have to stretch a bit longer. Okay. So read this again. Food, school, moon, blue, true. Okay. Now can you read this phrase? Both the words have the long oo sound. Okay. So let's practice. Blue moon. You can say he comes here once in a blue moon. Okay. So it sounds a bit longer. Blue moon. Okay. Okay. Now I have written some words with both short oo sound and the long oo sound. So let's practice in pair so that you can understand the difference. Okay. While reading those at the same time, side by side. Okay. This one, good, food, full, fool, full, fool. Okay. Okay. Now these are some phrases where I have used both the words with short oo sound and the long oo sound. Okay. So let's practice. A good school. This one, the short oo sound, and this one is long oo sound. Okay. So let's practice again. A good school is too full. This one is long, this one is short. Put your shoes on. This one is short, put. And this one is long, shoes. So let's practice again. Put your shoes on. Okay. Okay guys, that's all for today. And let's meet again with another informative video in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.